Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and I'm answering your question today. This is from Helen Munshee, and she asks, how do you bring your faith into your business? And this is such a good question, and I love talking about my faith. So for me, my business is a reflection of me. And so I think about every day, how can I add value to my ideal client? How can I share what I'm learning? And I always ask myself, how can I make a bigger impact today? And typically that comes through sharing what I'm learning or something that I've overcome, something that I was struggling with. And so I'm sharing the personal development that I'm doing. And a lot of times that's reading the Bible or doing a devotional. And so I just share it. I don't overthink it. I don't think anything weird about it. I just share who I am and I share from the heart. And I think, what are people struggling with? How can I add massive value today? Who can I encourage and how can I make an impact? So there's nothing really special to it. That's literally what I ask myself, and my faith comes out of that, answering that question. So if you're nervous about sharing your faith, I just want you to think about, who is it that you want to attract, and is it going to help them? Is it going to add value to them? And don't let it be something that scares you. Just share you and share from the heart. And for me, that's what comes out. So I hope you found this helpful. Head to the blog she'smakinganimpact.com for more tips to build your business, and I'll see you there.